What's going on everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm Alxr and today we're going to be restoring a pair of Air Jordan 3 True Blues, the OG pair with the Nike on the back. Right now they're looking pretty gross and muddy, which isn't too good. Also on one of the shoes, the soles kind of look like they're starting to fall off, and then on like both of the shoes, the front's like that, which doesn't look too good either because of the creases. So there's quite a lot to restore, but the first thing we've got to do is clean them. So let's get into it, let's go.
Minutes later.
So this is what they look like, completely finished and fully restored. The first thing I did was clean them, put them in the washing machine using the Sneaker Laundry detergent. Afterwards, I removed the paint off of the midsole and then repainted it. I also filled in the elephant print where it started to fade. Repainted part of the upper where it started to get scuffed. I uncreased them and laced them up. So yeah, that's the restoration completely done then. How do you guys think they turned out? Make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.